Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. If you don't want to receive any spam messages and want to hide your phone number on Telegram, then this video can help you in few steps. In this video, I will show you on how to hide your phone number on Telegram. So, let's get started. Open Telegram app on your mobile phone. On the left part, click these three lines and go to Settings. Go to Privacy and Security. Click this My Contacts in line with phone number. Now, you have your options on how to set your phone number here. Since that our goal is to hide your phone number, make sure to set it in Nobody, and under Nobody, you have another option if you want to Everybody or just in your contact list to find your number. You can also click this Add Exceptions to add users or group as exemptions that will override the settings above. Alright? So that's how to hide your phone number on Telegram. If you found this video helpful, please like and share and don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for more videos.